video, we are going to be changing out our bike pedals because our old ones are all worn out. But now it's time for an upgrade to these beauties, which make it the best because they are the RaceFace Ride Pedals with the molded plastic pins, and mine are red to match my red strip. Mine are purple to match my bike, and mine are green because green is my favorite color. So let's get started changing these pedals. Let's go. Now we're gonna remove the pedals. Yep. And we're gonna use a pedal wrench. But if you don't have a pedal wrench, you can use a 15mm wrench. But if you don't have a 15mm wrench, then you can use an adjustable wrench. But if you want to be fancy, our friends in England call it a spanner. Yeah, now we're gonna remove the old pedal. To remove the left pedal, turn it clockwise. There we go. Now I can do the rest with my hand. Now let's do this on the other side. To remove the right pedal, turn it counterclockwise. There. Now I can do the rest with my hand. Now we're gonna put on the new pedals. And as you can see, there is a label to see if it's right or left. This one is the right one. So you're gonna first do it hand. You're gonna use your hand to screw it first. And then when you can do it as far as you can, you're gonna use the pedal wrench. Okay, there. Once you got it as tight as you can, then you can do the other pedal. Now we're gonna put on the left pedal. And as you can see, there will be a label with an L. This time you're gonna turn it counterclockwise. So now we're gonna install the pedals on Havana and Kai's bike. Let's do it! So we've installed the pedals on our bikes and they look fabulous. But now time for that $1 million question. You're wondering, why did we use molded plastic pins, the ride version, instead of the metal pins for the Chester version? Well, the answer is quite simple. So you see, the molded plastic pins don't have as good grip as metal pins, but if you fall and the metal pin will rip your jeans and get your leg bloody, then you're not gonna be okay. But a molded plastic pin is like, that's okay, who cares? So that's why we chose molded plastic pins instead of metal pins. So let's go test these pedals out! So we met up with Jurhiah at Cypress Wood Trail. Fun in the trails. Our pedals are dirty from riding so much. We tried out some features today and the pedals give us pretty good grip overall and the colors are just amazing. What I like about these pedals is that they're my favorite color, green, and that they have amazing grip. But what I don't like about it is that it looks big on my bike. I like that these pedals have good grip and they're purple, one of my favorite colors. But I don't like how it can wear down easily when you keep bumping into stuff. I love these pedals because they are just so pretty with their red vibrant color, and I love how they have great grip, but it doesn't last as long and it wears down easy, kind of like my other pedals, but they do hold up longer than my normal ones. Today was so much fun with these pedals. Yes, there could be some minor adjustments, but overall they are just really great. So if you enjoyed this video, then please give this video a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. See you soon! Bye-bye!